Hi guys, it's Haley. So excuse my face and my lack of makeup, but I am in the middle of moving, but I wanted to show you guys a empty apartment tour for the new place. So let's get started. So this is the front hallway. When you walk in, I've got a nice little den situation going on there. It's got a sliding door. Which I think is really cool. So we are in bathroom number 1 because I have 2 bathrooms. So this is it. This nice, pretty sink. Got some cupboards. It's just a powder room, really. But so exciting. My little storage room slash Harry Potter closet under the stairs. I'm super excited about having extra storage because I have way too much garbage. Okay, but look at my beautiful kitchen. I'm losing my mind. It is absolutely stunning. I'm crying about it. Let's explore. We got my nice big fridge. New stove situation. Lots and lots of cupboards. So pretty. I really, really like the fact that it's got a nice dark backwash, and then the outlets match because they're also black. It has lights. It has under cabinet lights. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. So dishwasher, more cupboards, built-in microwave. This space here is my living room, or it's going to be. And these freaking amazing, huge windows that I'm very excited about. My patio is out there, but I'm struggling to unlock the door, so I will figure that out and perhaps show you later. This is my view from the living room area. So we're gonna go up these stairs here. And this is my loft. So this is where I'm gonna be keeping my bed. It's gonna be somewhere in here. This is overlooking the railing. Very cool. This is glass, which is nice. So me and the cat aren't gonna fall through it. Very important. And then this is the ensuite bathroom. Fancy. I really like that light fixture. It's really, really cute. I got a bathtub, storage space, nice giant mirror, and a waterfall shower. I'm gonna cry. Ensuite washer and dryer because which is honestly the selling point to this whole loft. And then my walk-in closet here. A lot of space. All right, so that's what we have for right now. Just a quick little empty apartment tour. I'm definitely going to be doing some videos on my decorating that I'm planning on doing. I'm very excited to get started. But now I have to go and start loading up my truck with my stuff from my previous apartment. So I gotta run home and do that. But yeah, this is my new place.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any tips or ideas for decorating. I would love to hear them. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me so much. Thanks everybody. See you in the next one.